This time I managed to find suppliers. I mean, they found me actually more than I found them. Spot on our expectation on the moment. So, discussion that we are having for months, and it's amazing to find a supplier that is exactly answering this need.
I think the value is, getting that dedicated focus. I think I really like the format, that it's quite informal. I think we didn't know what to expect. Okay, so I think but being able to get from them, pull information from those guys as to what they're looking at, what are their targets. It makes it relatively straightforward for us to go away now. We've got some key leads for people who we've got some clear direction on what they want.
So I think it creates the right level of relationship from the beginning. It also helps to maybe establish a kind of a trust from the beginning.
The one-to-ones are organized in a quiet room during a specific time frame. That means that it doesn't spill over, the presentations or the other parts of the forum. And like this, you get your discussion. The vendors have to be straight to the point, and by the end of the meeting, you walk away with next steps if there is value to meet with them again, and then you go to your next meeting or to the next presentation.